Falcon 1.1 Monotube shocks, or the Jeep Gladiator, are a price-friendly performance shock. They are built with the same damping characteristics as every Falcon shock, so they are excellent on dirt trails and provide increased stability for everyday driving. Lift the vehicle off the ground. The shocks can be swapped out without removing the tires. Support the front axle and remove the front shocks. Install the top end of the front Falcon shocks with the offset spacer pointing towards the inside of the vehicle. The offset spacer provides frame clearance for the shock. Install the lower eyelet using the factory hardware. Support the rear axle and remove the rear shocks. Install the upper end of the rear shocks. There is not an offset sleeve, so just make sure the Falcon logo is facing out. Install the lower end, and you're ready to go.